So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the region here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Once that is done, you have to go to the bottom right and press on the account tab. Once you're on the account tab at the top, it says region. For me, it says Canada. But if you want to change that, simply just press on region right here and then select the region of your choice. So this basically just shows you guys the Expedia region that you're working within the application. So as I mentioned before, I'm on Canada, but if you wanted to scroll down a little bit to, for example, the United States, United States right here, press on United States right here. You can also uncheck Canada, which does by default, then press on save. So once that's done, it's going to take a couple seconds to load here. Now you guys are on the United States region here in Expedia. So if you were to go to settings right here, your region is on the United States. Go back to home, and you're on the USA region here on Expedia. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to edit the region here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.